All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. We got the flip cover with pen. So it's got the S Pen right there. And you need the cover because obviously there's no pen slot in the Fold 3. So with this cover, you'll be able to have your S Pen at your ready. And so that's pretty cool. So that's your quick instructions. And I'm not sure what that is, but we'll take that out. We'll take a look at it. Then that's your S Pen. So that's really cool. And so that's how the fold fits in. And then the S Pen has its little docking port on the side. So there you go. So now you got your cover and your S Pen at the ready. All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. That's your Flip Fold 3 5G cover with the S Pen, which I guess is back on this side. All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there.